Imagine you are navigating the complexities of divorce, and one of your biggest concerns is what happens to the family home. Perhaps one spouse wants to keep it, but neither can afford to buy out the other in cash. This is a very common challenge, and thankfully, there are creative solutions to help you achieve a fair outcome. Offsetting home equity with other assets works by allowing one spouse to keep the marital home in exchange for giving the other spouse a greater share of other assets of equal value. Instead of selling the house and splitting the cash, you balance the scales using different parts of your combined financial picture. This method avoids the need for a forced sale and can provide stability for the spouse who wishes to remain in the home, often with children. The core principle behind this approach is equitable distribution. In many jurisdictions, marital assets are divided fairly, though not always 50-50. When you offset home equity, you are essentially creating a balanced financial package. The spouse keeping the home takes on its value, while the other spouse receives a compensatory amount from other marital assets. This ensures both parties receive an equitable portion of the total net marital estate, which is the sum of all assets minus all debts accumulated during the marriage. To put this into practice, the first step is to accurately value the home's equity. This means determining the current market value of the house and subtracting any outstanding mortgage or home equity loans. Once the net equity is established, you and your spouse or your legal teams will identify other available marital assets, such as bank accounts, investment portfolios, retirement funds, or even other properties. You then allocate a portion of these other assets to the spouse not keeping the home, ensuring the total value they receive matches their share of the home equity they are giving up. A key benefit of this strategy is avoiding the costs and emotional toll of selling the family home. This is especially valuable when children are involved, as it can help maintain their sense of stability and routine during a challenging time. It allows for a more personalized settlement, acknowledging the emotional value of the home beyond its dollar amount. For example, a spouse might trade their share of a retirement account to keep the house, allowing them to remain in their community. Ultimately, offsetting home equity with other assets provides a flexible and often less disruptive path to dividing your most significant shared possession. It empowers both parties to reach a balanced financial resolution without necessarily liquidating the family home. By understanding this option, you can work towards a settlement that truly meets your family's needs and allows everyone to move forward confidently.